Having clinicals in a faith-based hospital really allows you to see all sides of nursing. It allows you to see the definition of compassion.
St. Thomas is a non-for-profit hospital. It's a Catholic-based hospital, and basically kind of the philosophy is to take care of all patients equally.
They don't turn away patients because of their financial status, religious status, anything. If you're a patient who needs help, this hospital will help you.
I chose St. Thomas because it was extremely apparent that that's what their main goal is. Throughout their entire experience, each patient is not just a number. We recognize them as people. There were several hospitals I could have chosen. However, I chose St. Thomas because they also aligned with the same reason I chose Marian University, and that they care for their people.
Marian, being a Catholic school, I think kind of embodies that and reflects that, and that was something and is something that appeals to me every day. I believe that's what the core of a nurse is, to take care of everybody equally, and that is embodied by not only Marian but St. Thomas.